Hello gentlemen, hope you're well. In this video we're talking about the Stonks trading bot. So this is a trading bot I found. This is probably the only one out there on Ton, so which is Telegram's chain, Toncoin. They have their own DeFi. It has small trading volume on chain, so it's about 3 million, but I just wanted to demonstrate this bot for the purpose of if you are buying coins on there. The link to it is in the description, so go ahead and check that out. So when you load up the wallet, you'll be given this, and then you can obviously click wallets, and then you'll be able to get your seed phrase, you can create a new wallet, etc. So it gives you your wallet here, and all you need to do is go over to your balance and you want to send whatever desired amount you will to your wallet. I'll just send one for demonstration purposes. Put my password in. And that's how you load up currency onto your wallet. Now once you've done so, you'll be able to buy a coin. Now, so I'll just refresh this so it's 966. Takes about 20 seconds usually. And there it is, so it's in there now. So if you've got a coin you want to buy, or a token itself, all you do is you copy and paste, and it will load the token information on there. Once that's up, we want to buy, sell, so this is the buy setting. Sell setting. Now I want to purchase, so let's just buy one, and it will send through the transaction. Toncoin is a little bit funny, or the chain itself. Sometimes the transactions fail. It's a new chain. They'll probably be picking that up later on, but we'll wait for the transaction to go through. Of course, there's a little delay. However, it's quicker than actually buying on the what's it called, StonFi. It's much quicker. So here we have my transaction there, which has gone through, and we can even check on here, where was it, that's my $2 buy there, and pretty much I've got my one here. It shows me my profit and loss, and then obviously I can sell the whole amount, sell 50%, 25%. So all in all, it's a good bot. I think it's, for a version 1, it's really good. I'll probably be using it. It's much easier using it on Telegram. Again, the link to it is in the description below. Go ahead, try it out, see what you think.